If I was Charles Lawrence and I had 687 Facebook friends, the very first goal I would set is this. Let's do the math. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to share my screen again. Do I have a doc here? Yeah, I got a doc. Okay, Charles, this is for you. So, okay, we're going to give this an example. Charles Lawrence example. Okay, so 687 Facebook friends. Okay, goal number 1 equals 5,000 Facebook friends. And this is going to be a temporary max. It's just temporary, 5,000 Facebook friends. Okay, so that's going to be overall goal. Now we're going to break this down into daily, weekly, monthly, quarterly, yearly. Okay, so Facebook has limits on how many people that you can send friend requests to. Now, there's no exact limit, meaning I've sent as many as 100 requests in a single day and not been punished for it. But let's play it very, very safe. If you send too many Facebook friend requests to people that you don't know, then Facebook is going to put you in Facebook jail.